Here we have a simple circuit. It has a battery, bulb, and a switch that are connected together with wires. When the switch is closed, electric current flows through the circuit and the bulb lights up. How will adding another bulb in parallel affect the brightness of the bulbs? Now, there are two bulbs connected in parallel. When the switch is closed, each bulb receives the same voltage. This results in the bulbs glowing equally as bright as when there was just a single bulb in the circuit. Discover more about series and parallel circuits in our related videos. Bye for now! Don't forget to subscribe!